In this video, we're going to show you how you can trade skillfully and stress-free using the GoZone Trading Blueprint. The GoZone Trading Blueprint is a simple, consistent trading plan that we developed that we are teaching all of our students, which in turn is producing some amazing results. The blueprint incorporates all of our tools which help you learn to trade successfully with as little stress as possible. Before we get into this amazing trading plan in keeping with regulations, please pause this video and read our disclosure. Trading can be very emotional. Therefore, many people are under a tremendous amount of stress while trading. Unfortunately, when under stress, it's almost impossible to make good trading decisions, which is the reason why most people fail. We give you the tools to help you identify high probability entries using our easy to follow GoZone indicator. Next, we teach you how to manage your trade and get profitable as quickly as possible using our risk management strategy, which helps you get risk-free in a trade so you can follow the trading plan without stress. Our philosophy is, if there's no chance of losing after reaching the risk-free part of the trade, it's much easier to stick to the trading plan instead of letting your emotions guide you. By using our lock levels application, which are key levels you should have on all your trading charts, alerts you to areas which requires your full attention, along with our long-term trend detector, which helps you manage your trade in a slower market or a pause in a faster moving one. Makes the GoZone Trading Blueprint a very effective trading plan. Everything we do here at GoZone Trading is aimed at cutting through the noise and making trading as simple and stress-free as possible. Simple doesn't mean unsuccessful, it means repeatable. If you're looking for an in-depth reason why the market is doing what it's doing so you can write a dissertation for your PhD, well, then GoZone Trading is not for you. Knowing the first stock market started in Amsterdam in 1611 may be interesting, however, it is not going to help you be successful today. Our focus is on teaching you how to translate the market and how to capture the moves with consistency. The blueprint will give you the tools to help you read the market and the knowledge to act accordingly. To be clear, the GoZone Trading Blueprint will not eliminate losing trades. Losing trades are part of trading. The key is to keep your losers small and squeeze the most out of your winners. It doesn't matter if you're a brand new trader or a seasoned veteran or somewhere in between. We are confident the GoZone Trading Blueprint will help you become a more consistent, profitable trader. The GoZone Trading Blueprint is not a system. However, it is an effective strategy of how to trade by reducing your downside exposure, but leaves you a lot of room to be as conservative or as aggressive as you want to be. You may wonder how effective the GoZone Trading Blueprint works in the market and the time frame you trade. Well, there are just too many combinations for us to make a video that covers everything. I assure you it works in every market and every time frame. But you don't have to take my word for it. We welcome you to request your own no-obligation private demonstration. We enjoy showing off how well the blueprint works. By now, you're probably thinking that the GoZone Trading Blueprint will be out of your reach. As I've said throughout this presentation, we want to help you. That includes getting you on board. Therefore, we're offering you the opportunity to access the GoZone Trading Blueprint for as little as $85 per month. This makes our highly effective trading blueprint extremely affordable for pretty much anyone who is serious about their trading. For this meager amount, you'll have access to the GoZone indicator, the long-term trend detector, the lock levels, and our training for a risk management strategy that teaches you how to manage your trades effectively with minimal stress. As a bonus, we're giving you the completely customizable candlestick countdown timer. This lets you know where you are in the market every second of every trade. You'll also get any new updates or additions we add to the program for no additional cost. Our goal is to have every one of our students trading successfully. If your trading resembles a trip to the casino instead of a consistent, well-thought-out trading plan, then we can help. Contact us today for your free, no-obligation demo and see for yourself how you can improve your trading with the GoZone Trading Blueprint. Thank you for your interest in the GoZone Blueprint. If you have any questions, please contact us at contact@gozonetrading.com and have a profitable, stress-free day. Thank you.